Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by updating the S22 Ultra and enabling NFC so contactless payments will work reliably. Once done, install Google Pay from the Play Store and open it. You need to sign in with your Google account. Make sure Samsung Pay isn't forcing itself as default. Disable or uninstall if it prompts. Now add a card. Tap Add Payment Method, photograph the card, or enter details manually, and accept the bank's verification steps so Google Pay can authenticate the card for secure use. After you enter the card info, Google Pay asks why it needs verification. This prevents fraud and links your bank to your device. Follow the bank's chosen method, SMS code, in-app approval, or phone call, and input the code when prompted. Once verified, set Google Pay as the default Tap and Pay app in Settings, Connections, NFC, and contactless payments so transactions route correctly. You should also enable screen lock if prompted. Security locks make tokenized payments safe and required by many banks. To pay, unlock, or wake your phone, then tap the upper back near the camera to the terminal. You'll feel a vibration or see a check mark confirming the tokenized payment. If a merchant requests contactless, make sure you hold the phone steady and keep NFC on. If a transaction fails, first toggle NFC off and on, then reboot the phone. If problems persist, clear Google Pay cache and re-verify the card. This sequence fixes most issues because it resets NFC and re-establishes secure tokens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.